We're going to show you the IDS family. You're saying, well, what do you mean family? Well, we have grown from the IDS, what we would call the 1.0, a couple of 4 or 5 years ago, to what we have now behind me is basically a 3-tier, a 3-SEER rating type situation, the light, the premium, and the plus. So today we're going to show you the differentials between the items. We're going to show you a little bit of the aspects behind why we would call it a family and the 3 different SEER rating techniques. So here we go. So we're going to start off with the IDS Lite. Some people might call it the little brother. But what we're looking at is we're looking at an air handler that is a multiple position air handler, up, down, horizontal. And we're looking at a IDS unit that used to be called the 1.0. Now it's called the BOVB. And that particular system, and notice that both of these systems have black labels. That's the key to knowing that it is the light family, the little brother, if you don't mind. It is the 15 SEER. So what we're taking is the BOVB 18, matching it up with the BVA 15, and getting a 15 SEER out of this particular system. So what we have here is a 3-ton unit, 3-ton BOVB, and we have a 3-ton air handler. Now, if you wanted to, you could match up the 3-ton condensing unit to a 2-ton BVA unit, and you would still have a AHRI matched piece of equipment. So this particular system, black labeled, 15 SEER. So we've taken the cover off of this BVA 15. Notice that we have an aluminum coil. That aluminum coil comes with a TXV valve, factory installed. This box is a multi-position type box. Horizontal left and right, upflow like it stands here, and also take the coil out, flip the box, put the coil back in, make it a counterflow. No counterflow kit to purchase. We have a 4-speed PSC motor. We have a fan board. That fan board allows you to plug and tap in your fan speeds based off of your static for your ductwork. A multi-tap transformer and your thermostat wires that are protruding the cabinet on the top. With this air handler, you're going to field install your heat strips. So whatever you choose based off of your CFM, 2-ton, 3-ton, 4-ton, 5-ton, BVA 15 electric air handler. I want to introduce you to the IDS Plus unit. It is a BOVB matched up with a BVA 20 air handler. So what we have here is the brand new 3-ton system, BOVB. Used to call it the IDS 1.0. Now it is the BOVB. This is a 36 model. Basically, when you're looking at this condensing unit, it's 30 inches wide, left and right, front and back, and about 23 inches tall. And this air handler is a single cabinet air handler, not modular, but it has the capability of being a multi-position air handler, upflow, as it is right here, horizontal, left and right, and also downflow. And it's a very, very easy to install piece of equipment, but you're looking right here at the 18 SEER IDS Plus unit. Let me introduce you to the Bosch IDS Premium system. Some people would call it the big brother. What you're looking at here is the BVA 20 electric air handler, multi-position by the way, and we're matching it up with a BOVB 20 condensing unit. When we do that, Energy Star rated, over 20 SEER rating, and this is the Bosch IDS Premium system. Down here by the 5-ton BOVA 20 series, you'll notice that it's still the 29 and 29 left and right, front and back, but it grew about 8 inches from the 3-ton. That really separates us from the other 20 SEER pieces of equipment in that they are so large that they may cover the windows and things that they are being set by. But this particular unit, 5-ton, and if you have set one of our former 5-tons, you're really going to be excited about what I'm fixing to uncover to you, because no longer do we have 2 boards to pay attention to. Now we only have 1 board. This particular BOVA 20 allows us to look at several more parameters as we're doing maintenance and several more parameters as we are installing this system than we did with the 1.0 system. Again, more technology, easier to set up, easier to maintain. Truthfully, guys, you never have to get your gauges out of the truck when you're doing maintenance on this unit anymore. You really don't even have to get your voltmeter out of your truck when you're doing maintenance and setup on this particular unit. Just push a button, go to the parameter, see the voltage that's coming in, see the DC voltage that's going to the compressor, see the amp draw that's going to the compressor, see the fan speeds that are going to the condensing fan motor. Really, really a nice piece of equipment. So when we're looking at the 20 SEER, we're looking at a separation now of going from what the little brother and the middle brother did with 100 feet of a refrigerant line separation. Now we can separate these by 150 feet. So we get a little bit greater separation on those retrofit installs, going all the way up to 1 1/8 inches on the refrigerant suction line for the 5-ton. Again, everything is ran with the 3/8. You have a liquid line dryer that you're going to put into the refrigeration circuit somewhere. 4 wires still coming out here to the condensing unit. If you're going to make me just an air conditioner, 2 wires. Give me what we would call a yellow wire coming from the thermostat and a common, and I'm an air conditioner. If you're going to make me a heat pump, 4 wires is all we need running through this machine. Very, very easy setup. One of the lowest amp draw starting pieces of equipment that we have. This is your 5-ton, 240 volt single phase product, about 33 inches tall. Awesome in a small package.